It is now confirmed that Igbos are the problems of Nigeria. Hey, I beg, calm down. Some Igbos, because not all Igbos are bad, okay? Some Igbos are the problems of Nigeria. Well, this is not coming from me. Before some people go come climb on top my head. With me here are videos of Nigerians and Ghanaians telling us why the Igbos are the problems of Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, and in fact, the world. Guys, let's hear what they have to say.
And I'm a Biafran. I'm proud to be. As simple as that. Because I believe I'm in Ghana today. Ashanti people, they claim their identity. Ghana people claim their identity. So what's wrong for me to claim my own identity? Because my parents taught me where I come from and who I am. I'm a Biafran. And I'm a family man, and I'm also passing message to my children. So that's why there's no way you can defeat it. There's no way you can do with it. So Biafran has come to stay, and I'm a Biafran. I'm proud to be. As simple as that. Because I believe I'm in Ghana today. Ashanti people, they claim their identity. Ghana people claim their identity.
My friend, stop spitting nonsense. If Ashantis are showing the identity at where? In Ghana. If the Gans are showing the identity at where? In Ghana. When the Evers are showing the identity is in where? In Ghana. Are they showing it in Biafra land? Why not go to Togo and show your identity in Togo? Why not go to Africos and show your identity as Biafra in Africos? Why not go to Burkina Faso and go there and show your identity there as Biafra? As we Ghanaians, we don't know any country called Biafra. So that nonsense should stop immediately. And fellow Ghanaians, I'm telling you, it is these Igbo people, it is these Biafras who are destroying this country. Do not tolerate such nonsensical tribalism in this country called Ghana. The way you have used tribalism to destroy your country, Nigeria, we as Ghanaian youth will not tolerate such nonsense in this country. This should be your first and last. If you think you are a man enough, show your face. Remove that face mark and show your face. That nonsense, we will not tolerate it. Are you carrying a Nigerian passport or Biafra passport? And that nonsense, the Biafra has come to stay. The Biafra has come to stay. There's no place in Ghana here for you people as Biafras. What you know is Nigerians. So that nonsense should stop. As the next president of this country, this is your last time spitting this nonsense on the media, claiming we Biafras, we are going to stay. No, the Biafras must leave this country. Now, now, now.
God have mercy upon us.
Power to the nash.
What
What kind of nonsense talk is that? I was really celebrating my birthday, so I just wanted to feel calm. And this video just woke me up. Walker.
Make I ask question. What are we fighting for? The question I want to ask. This is the question that Nyash president just asked. Do you cross the border with Brafa passport or Nigeria passport? Simple as ABCD. If you can answer me this question, I will be happy. Why are we creating problem for our next generation, like our children? Why are we creating problem for them? Because as a man, you feel think say you get energy, you get power, you have connection, you can boldly come out to fight for freedom. Yes, but do you think about your children? Because freedom fighting is generational fight. Those who start it might not be the people that will win it. It might be their generation. Do you think that your children can be bold enough to continue from where you stop if anything happen? You still carry the freedom fight from your country, you can't continue from Ghana. How, my brother? May we dey respect ourselves for some time. May we dey respect ourselves. Eh? Yes, you need your freedom for Nigeria. Separate from Nigeria, you want to become a brother. Simple thing. Wetin concern Ghana, concern that kind of thing. Let's fight this kind of fight for Nigeria. When you succeed, glory be to God. You get your own country. Not be to call the claim brava for Ghana. The land of Ghana have been divided away from like it has been divided. Our colonial master have divided long time ago. This is land of Ghana. Nigeria is land of Nigeria. You came here for business. Do your business and go to your country to establish anything you want to establish, to make the country more developed, to be fit to call a country. We just dey fight ourselves. And you dey do the thing, you dey wear nose mask. Who is pursuing you? Who are you pursuing? Nyash president said, remove your nose mask. Let's see who is talking. Because as we dey talk now, we think say na ghost dey talk.
Abeg, let's watch this video. Grandpa has some message for us. Mr. X, drop the video.
My name na Baba Nigeria. I dey Ghana now. No be today. We in Nigeria dey. When I dey here, we no ask una anything. We don't tell una make una go. The same thing to Igbo, Yoruba. We tell una make una go. Fulani. And all these foreign people, we sack una. We don't worry anybody. All of a sudden, all of una don't build kingdom. Yoruba build kingdom. Igbo build kingdom. Fulani build kingdom. Everybody say, look, we give them citizenship. Which animal if you go Nigeria say you won't be citizen? If you want to stay for Nigeria, you stay there. Nigeria no go worry you. But no come say you be this, you be that, you be that. See, Igbo people, me, I know una town where I know everywhere. Now, when I shift, una no go say, come. This is the time where una go fit do anything with una life. Small time now una go know. Nobody dey sell anything for Nigeria. Nobody. Lagos, where you want to tell me? No, really, I be na Ladipo. I be na Laba International. I be trade fair. Which Ghana man they sell anything there? Our owner to carry load and do smoke. We don't get money. We know say we don't get money. Now we get money for. But make una carry una money go outside. When una no dey, we dey. No hungry they catch us. Where everybody run, we see dey. If God don't bless una, say una dey here. Make una dey here quiet. Let me tell you people. Nobody be citizen of Ghana. If you like, go and hop transformer. If you like, I repeat, go and burn the sea. You not go be citizen of Ghana over our dead body, over our dead body of our ancestors. The spirit will there for Ghana. Men are not play with it too. Come, if they allow you to chop, just chop quietly and go away. Wash your plate. That GIPC law. Nobody will touch it. We are not going to do retail. All this one we're going to do for Bosokan and all this market, we are coming for you people. We are not looking at South Africa. We did do before South Africa. We are the first people to chase Igbo king. We know they follow South Africa do anything. We get our plans already. You know that we don't revolt already, and we are still telling you people. Stop saying you are a Ghanaian. I get picking for Nigeria. That one no means I be Nigerian. Many people, not only when I born, we said we born plenty for that side. Now, no, let me tell you, no Ghana man dey Nigeria again. Now there they come from now. No Ghana man. How many? Ghana people wait in Nigeria, they not go reach 5,000. Even those who remain there, they don't get money. If they get money, they don't come. Nigeria way hard like stone. Where the person feel gain for Nigeria? Nothing. I beg. In my next video, share for me. I will tell you now more.
Hello, my fellow Africans across the continent of Africa. This video is for all Africans, especially African countries. And see, this video is all about caution about Nigerians. Let me tell you something. If you see a Nigerian, okay, listen up. This video is for, it's for the entire continent of Africa. Let me tell you how to be aware of Nigerians. You see, let me tell you something. Nigerians, when it comes to, criminal minds, they are number one. Let me tell you something. Anytime you see a Nigerian come to your country, any of African country, if you see a Nigerian come to your country and then you see them kind of like holding your country's flag, wearing their jersey or what you call the country's, jersey or whatever, uniform or whatever, let me tell you something. Do not think that they are lifting your country up or they are trying to kind of like explore your country. They want to kind of like let the rest of the world know what is in your country. Listen up. You see, if you see a Nigerian holding your flag, saying that, oh, I am here, maybe I am in Ghana, I am in South Africa, I am in Botswana, I am in Kenya. Hey, Kenya is nice. Nigerians, this is a nice place. Let me tell you something. They are sending message back home to their fellow Nigerians to move to your country and start kidnapping, prostitution, selling drugs, internet frauding, and all kind of criminal, activities. That is, you see, that is kind of information they've been sending back home to their fellow Nigerians. So this video, please, if you are South African, Kenyan, anybody that has come across this video, please share it. Share it. So when you see a Nigerian, if you see any Nigerian come to your country, try to kind of post it and all that, please, you have to kick that son of a... Even I would say, no Nigerian have to enter somebody's country with phone. Because that is what they do, to send information back home to their fellow Nigerians, to move to your country and destroy it and destabilize it. You see, this is what I keep saying. Africa can come together. Africa can be borderless, no problem. Africa can be, visa free across the whole entire continent. But there is only one country, which is Nigeria. That mental deformities, let me tell you, they will go and destroy everything. They will destroy everything. And listen, everywhere you go, okay? Every country you go, okay? Every country you go across the world, there is a Nigerian prisoner. There is a Nigerian prisoner. Because Nigerians, they don't respect anybody. They don't respect anybody. Just recently, a Nigerian was caught in Thailand. A Nigerian is caught in Thailand using South Africa passport. How come a Nigerian holding South Africa passport, he was using South Africa passport, okay, selling drugs, moving drugs to country. But when he got caught, he was lying. They have caught him red-handed. I'm not the one who said it. A lot of people have watched that video. I am not lying anything that I'm saying. How can you get somebody's passport and then kind of using it to commit all kind of atrocities? And this is what I want the rest of African countries have to know. That John Dramani Mahama, the president of Ghana, he is in support with Nigerian criminals. And this is what we want you to know. That Ghanaians are not in support with Nigerians. Ghanaians are not comfortable living with Nigerians. But John Dramani Mahama, he is the one supporting Nigerians because his mother is a Nigerian. John Dramani Mahama's mother is a Nigerian. John Dramani Mahama is not a real Ghanaian. So this is what I want the rest of African countries to know. That we Ghanaians, we are not in support with John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama, he is the problem. John Dramani Mahama is the problem to Ghanaians. As a president, how can you sit down there? A foreigner will come to your country, killing your citizens, whereby you won't say anything, you will react to it. So is it because of ECOWAS? Is it because of African Union? Those organizations, you see, what Ghana has benefited from African Union and ECOWAS? Ghana haven't benefited anything from those useless, organizations. You see, but John Dramani Mahama, he is kind of a liar, very, very liar and obstinate. He don't want to listen to Ghanaians, and this is what this video. That's what I'm making this video. This is what I'm making this video. Please, please, my fellow Africans, please share this video, because democracy is not for Africans. Democracy is not for Africans. Just look at the number of natural resources Ghana have, but each and every day Ghana remain the same. And right now, Ghanaians are not comfortable. Ghana is not big, but John Dramani Mahama has decided to open our borders for this useless Nigerian to move to Ghana and destroy Ghana. As a president, instead of you to come out, you see, this is the reason why Donald Trump will be my #1 president all the time, because, of course, President Trump, all his agenda, when he was coming to power, he said, he said, make America great again. You see, Donald Trump, he has put Americans first. He has put American citizens and American first. Okay? And when he came, he said when he comes, it's going to be a mass deportation. And anything he said, he has done it. Me, to be honest, I am not happy for, it's kind of like, there are some of innocent immigrants who are kind of like, unfortunately, have been sent back home and all that. I am not happy with it, but to be honest, he is the president. He is the president. He got to do what he got to do to save his people from criminals. You see, that is what we call a leader. Look at South Africa president. South Africa president, he is in full support with the citizens of South Africa. You see, he is in full support. But John Dramani Mahama, anytime Ghanaians want to demonstrate, Mahama will call it off. Anytime Ghanaians want to demonstrate, Mahama will call it off. Ghanaians, this time, it is time. It is time, no bullshit. No dead, no job. This is the time Ghanaians have to prove to John Dramani Mahama that Ghana doesn't belong to him. How can you make Ghana a free visa country that anybody can come in? How many jobs have we created for Ghanaians? See, democracy, all the time, those two useless political parties, NDC, NPP, I mean, over 30 years now, what have they done? What have they done? They haven't done into all kind of corruption and all that. So Ghanaians, this time, stand up, demonstrate, hit the street hard, and let John Dramani Mahama know that Ghana doesn't belong to him. Ghana belongs to Ghanaians. All right. So this video, please, you guys should share, push it up, and be careful with Nigerians. Do not allow Nigerians to come to a country and come and switch on videos and then showing it to others. It is a message you are sending back home to their fellow Nigerians to come and destroy your country. Oh, this is what I want you guys to know. So be careful. Be careful. You can play with Mamba, Black Mamba. You can play with King Cobra. But Nigerians, be careful. Be careful with those people. Very, very dangerous people.
Thank you very much for watching. The man said a lot, and he is security expert. So in 24 hours, baby, he said, "Sabi openi galivia na insuo asa." Anyway, I go by the name the Nyash president, and I still remain your #1 president all over the world. So we say power to the real Nyash. Wow.